TY120 series sliding door installation. After installing the door frame, use a spirit level to check its vertical and horizontal alignment. Check if this is vertical. After checking both sides, we need to check the bottom door frame, its parallelism. Then remember to measure these 3 points. Before officially installing the door leaf, you need to measure the middle and bottom. The values are the same. If they are not the same, there may be a situation of door deformation. The first door is installed. Notice how this fixed plug-in looks before it is put in. Put it in like this. It's a fan fixing plug. It's to fix the fan. After fixing it, screw it in. The hole just now. Install the bumper blocks. Start installing the second door. This guide here, base here, you need to put it in, because it may appear. This may not be aligned. You need to push it in to align it, so that it is in place. Below are the small ones, the top is big. Fold it like this. Then the two are combined. Okay, then put it in this position. See? It's installed like this. We haven't put this in yet. When we install it, there's a screw hole. We push this inside. Push it in place. Then lock this screw from here. Lock the screw in from here. Then install the anti-collision block. This is an effect of the installation. Next we will focus on explaining the adjustment of the TY120 locking points. First, we prepare the tools. Marker pen. Then we prepare a 4mm hexagon socket wrench, 3mm hexagon socket wrench and a 2.5 hexagon socket wrench. Once the tools are ready, our first step. In the first step, first, we need to check if the switch is in the off or locked state. If it is the state of the lock, we must turn it open. In the open state, the lock seat of this lock will be accurate here. If it's locked, the lock point will not be accurate. The position of this lock point center point. Let's make a mark. After making the mark, we align it. Align it with the position of the frame, and this point. Here we are. Draw a parallel line. We use a 3 cm hexagon wrench. 3 cm hexagon. First, we position it. Put it in this suitable position, 3 cm. Lock the point and match this white spot. Mark the position of the marker pen, and lock it with a 3 cm hexagon. First, we don't lock it completely. Lock it first. Set a position first. After positioning, let's push the door in and see if it corresponds to the lock point, which is the standard point we drew. The standard point of the marker. After it is embedded into the door leaf, it proves that the lock point is aligned. Let's lock up. Let's lock it up and down to see if it works. It proves that the lock is aligned with this position. It proves that it is aligned. The lock point is aligned. Then we open it again. After opening it, we'll tighten the remaining. These screws. Tighten them all. Yes, lock all of them. After locking, we will use this 2.5 again. 2.5 hexagonal. These two small screws lock this lock point. Let's lock them first. After the lock point, this point will not move basically. After it doesn't move, then lock it again. Lock it. Push it in a little bit and lock it, right? That's it. This is the state of the lock. This is the correct position of the lock point. A correct location for the lock point. That's it.